Hey, Super Tuesday, boy Willie T with the Eating 3, and we back with another video today, man. We got a little reaction video for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But let me know if I like these type of videos, man. And by the way, there's an echo throughout this video, but I fixed it. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's do it. Yeah, we finna get right into it. I ain't finna waste no time, cause I waste some time and y'all gonna be lying for real. Hey, this video is not real, is it in there? Okay, whatever. Yeah, it's not real. We in Mexico with it, for sure, for sure. This dude's a genius. Okay, first of all, this nigga's in a G. He in a G37. He's in a G37 or a Q50. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely a VQ platform. So I don't know about y'all, but I don't run from no cop and no VQ. Oh shit, bro. Oh shit. That white folks be out of there. He gonna come through that. I already know, man. Would y'all do shit like this? Would y'all do shit like this? Like real shit, real deal shit. Would y'all do shit like this? Everybody finna get taken out. Like, come on now. First of all, leave in the comments right now. Y'all think he really gonna escape the cops? Let me know right now in the comments. Say yes or no. Be like, he ain't gonna escape, or he gonna escape. Let me know right now. Right now. I wish it was in miles per hour. Nah, he going about 60 miles an hour. I know that much. Oh shit. That's a whole nother cop. These streets are I was about to say these streets are surprisingly pretty empty. Yeah, your ass finna be grass. Cause he up out of there. Red lights don't exist. Don't need them. I know this suspension fucked after this, bro.
Interrupt voice prompts and speaker command.
He didn't hit every speed bump I'd ever seen in my
You
life.
can also use the up-down switch on the steering wheel.
Ain't this like illegal? Am I tweaking? Ain't police stations illegal? Dog finna be dead. The amount of people this man could have killed is crazy. Oh shit. You say you can't take a G to the track, man. Take her. Now how you gonna get out of here, dog?
11:10.
The whole time this man ain't said shit. He hit something. Bro, they making this shit like GTA, bro. How you got all this open road? Oh shit. People just conveniently turning. Nah, this is wild. Niggas just conveniently turning when he need to be in the wrong lane and shit. Shorty about to be dead. Nigga. Imagine you taking a walk, bro. Alright, bro, what you gonna do right here? Get on the highway is insane. Slide right through that road. He really making his way downtown, walking. Niggas in traffic. Cars moving out of the way. They like shit. I see my nigga trying to escape. But they see the cop. Oh my gosh. I would have made it, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. He handling it bit though. Oh my gosh. This dangerous for 60 miles an hour on this shit. One wrong move, bro. You fucking up by 3 people. Now they got me intense. I'm staring at the damn screen. This is wild as hell. Damn. Plus 10 points is crazy. Come on, bro. You gotta get off somewhere. Oh my gosh. stuck, nah. What the cops said? Coming. The cops is coming. The cone's fucking them up. The cone's fucking them up. You gotta get off, bro. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Let me by, bro. Shut the fuck up.
Alright. We gotta get off somewhere, dog. Cut over to the left? Nope. Alright. What you gonna do right here? I have no fucking idea. There you go, cut over to the left. He got to get off though, bro. You're not escaping the cop on the highway. Freeway? What is this freeway? Oh shit. He's on his ass. Oh my god. He just handled that. Out of there. Damn. Damn. This is your only chance to escape, my boy. This is your only chance. Is he gonna be able to take it though? That taxi is driving slow as hell behind him. That taxi is literally holding that cop up. This your last chance to survive, bro. I don't know nothing about New York, but I know this leads to nowhere. Nowhere safe at least. Look at him, out of the way. You gotta go. You gotta get up out of there. You got to get up out of there. To the exit. Whoop! Out to the exit. Been out of there. I don't like the cops. That's crazy. I got a motorcycle. It'd be a different story. The motorcycle cops just don't last at all. Oh, they coming, bro. It's like 3 of them. But know how to use that manual mode though. Was a real deal stepper. Right there. Hell yeah, what I said. Oh shit. I don't know if the loop work. Oh shit, I knew he jumped that curve, boy. Oh yeah, okay. Don't die now. He done made a smart move. Don't crash out now. Take a left, go straight. Damn, they still behind him. They still behind him. You gotta take one of these back little corner stores. Little alleyway motherfuckers. Move the fuck out of the way, boy. I'm trying to escape. Did he make it? That's the end of the video? Did he make it though? Hit this for freestyle points. You gotta go park your shit in and run. Y'all think he made it out this damn? Y'all think he made it out? Y'all, we ain't gonna get the end of the video? Man, I guess that's the end of the video, man, but by the way, man, we trying to hit this goal, bro. We trying to hit 10K subs and we trying to get monetized on YouTube. I'm uploading 15 videos between now and the 1st of January. So I need y'all to tap in, hold me down, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, shut up, press that bell notification. And yeah, let me know y'all like these videos, man, these reaction videos, man. Let me know, cause this probably one of my main uploads, because like it's easy to do, it's quick, you know what I'm saying, whoop the whoop. And with that being said, I got someone to get you one. You ain't got you one, you better get you one. I think I'm gonna give me one. If I get mine before I get yours, I'm set city up for real. Hey man, I messed up, but fuck it. One take Drake, that's all I'm doing. But yeah, we out there, bit for real.